Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video we're gonna go ahead and learn how to transfer Apple Wallet to PayPal. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So actually transferring Apple Wallet to PayPal, there is actually no official step for that. But there are some alternatives in here that has worked onto others that might work to you as well. Now for the first step that we can do in here is to add PayPal to Apple Wallet. So as you can see in here from Tech Pluto, you'll just need to open the wallet app on your iPhone. Then there is a plus sign in that in the upper right corner under the payments card. You need to add payment card and select PayPal from the list of options. Now enter your PayPal email and password or the details and then tap on app card. So if you have a business account, you may be prompted to choose between personal and business. You'll just need to choose personal, and you may be asked to verify as well your identity with Touch ID or passcode. Then to use this to add your PayPal account to your wallet is you'll just need to open the wallet app on your iPhone, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner, add credit or debit card, enter your card information, then tap next. And if you're asked also to add the card that you use with your Apple ID, tap on to continue and enter the security code for credit or debit card. And just follow the instructions on your screen to verify your information and add your card to your wallet. Then right after that, you'll just have to click on to done. And that's just basically it on transferring Apple Wallet to PayPal. So you could go ahead and try out this step if this one would work with you. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.